Hi, Chelsea. Some feedback on your presentation from in class. First of all, I want to say thank you for being the brave soul to go first. I think one of your classmates made the same comment. Hopefully you can hear this feedback okay. I am on the bus. It was clear that you were interested in your topic and that you'd done a lot of research, and you did a good job of speaking in front of class and helping us understand what was going on. Let's see. So first off, you began by defining your terms, which was really important because obviously you had this nice big fancy term that none of us would have understood otherwise. You've used images in ways that were helpful. You have the brain, you have some tables, or I guess graphs, and you did a really nice job explaining what was going on in these graphs, like what was correlating between the two. And so that showed your analysis and really helped us see what you were making of the evidence that you had. What I liked about your slides very much, or I found very helpful, was that you were using the headings to guide the topic rather than, like it didn't say study 1, study 2, but it was really about kind of your topic sentence. I would agree with the feedback that you got from your colleagues that a lot of these texts, or a lot of these slides had a lot of text, so they could have been really pared down in a way that wouldn't have been so overwhelming. And somebody commented on this not being the best font. I don't know if I'd agree one way or another, but like if I was looking at this particular one, I might say, like, let's see, training the brain, and then explaining how that happens, and then maybe switching focus, or maybe about overstimulation. Like I could see how just some keywords might have been all you would have needed. Maybe on this slide with statistics, which these really showed that you had strong evidence, and I think your classmates really noticed that. They were like, wow, you had lots of good stuff. You could just kind of have something about, these years, and ADD in the U.S. increased, and then maybe between this year, and not have all this extra information, right? But you could even show it on a timeline, when these years happened. You could have actually created your own chart, now I think about it. And then you could have done something like bring in an animation that showed like 34 million new internet users or something like that, and rather than all this text. Anyway, I think you're doing a great job, and I look forward to seeing your next draft and your next presentation at the showcase.